Hi, today for the Motorola One 5G Ace, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel, and if you wanna add here some options or just remove some of them or change their positions, we should first click to this edit icon, and after that we'll see here this down section with invisible options. If you wanna add them to the panel, we should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. Just to remove some options from here, by the same way, we should just hold and drag the icon to the down section. Also, if you want to change the positions of the icon, you should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Then just to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.